So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how you can AirDrop to Windows easily in 2026. This is totally free and fast method. Now in order to do it, just simply open any of the browser in your Windows laptop. Do the same with your iPhones or any other Mac devices as well. Now here search for Snapdrop. Now once you do it, just simply press snapdrop.net. Once you go to this website, here it says upload files. Similarly, go to your smartphones and upload the file. Now for example, if I upload any file from here, for example, let's say this shortcut file. Now it will take some time, it will upload the file, and once the file is uploaded, it is discoverable to the all device in the range of my this particular device. You don't need to connect to the same Wi-Fi, you don't need to connect to the same hotspot, you just simply need to be in the range in the current location configuration, and it will automatically detect the devices that is near to you. Now here you can see I can just simply hit share, and it will either I can share it with the link as well, or if someone is in the zone, here you can see no nearby devices found, but if someone is in the nearby systems, you can get the list from here as well and directly share it to them. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.